Have you ever stood on a ship's deck, gazing out at the endless blue, and felt a deep longing for home? The gentle rocking of the waves beneath your feet, the salty breeze on your face? Yet your thoughts drift to family, friends, and the familiar comforts waiting for you on shore. Many seafarers know this feeling all too well. The sea is a place of adventure and challenge, but it can also mean long stretches away from loved ones and the life you cherish on land. The call of the ocean is strong, but so is the pull of the life you've built ashore. Every journey brings new experiences, but also moments when you wish you could be closer to those who matter most. Today, there's a new opportunity that lets you pursue your engineering passion at sea while staying connected to home. Imagine a role where you don't have to choose between your career and your personal life. Picture yourself working on a state-of-the-art vessel in the Mediterranean, enjoying shorter voyages, regular returns to port, and no more months-long isolation from your loved ones. This unique role is designed for skilled third engineers from the EU, especially those with valuable experience in cruise or merchant fleets, who are ready for a new chapter in their maritime journey. Enjoy a dynamic and rewarding career under a respected European flag, where your expertise is valued and your work-life balance is truly respected. Spend your days ensuring smooth operations on board and your evenings unwinding as you watch breathtaking sunsets over picturesque European coastlines. If you're ready for a maritime career that values both your professional skills and your connection to home, this is your chance to make it happen. Stay close to what matters without giving up your dreams. A new adventure, filled with opportunity and balance, awaits you in the heart of the Mediterranean. Are you ready to take the next step? The engine room is the heart of any vessel, a place where precision, skill, and constant vigilance are required every single day. As third engineer, you're the one who keeps this heart beating, ensuring that every system runs smoothly and efficiently. You'll be responsible for vital machinery, auxiliary engines, purifiers, pumps, and more, making sure each component operates at peak performance to guarantee safety and efficiency for the entire ship. Your technical expertise, attention to detail, and quick problem-solving skills are what keep the ship on schedule, even when unexpected challenges arise. You'll work alongside a skilled team, sharing knowledge, learning from each other, and building strong bonds that are essential for success at sea. On a Mediterranean RoRo vessel, the pace is fast, the environment dynamic, and teamwork is absolutely essential to meet tight schedules and high demands. Your experience from cruise ships or merchant fleets will be invaluable here, as you draw on your background to adapt quickly. The focus, reliability, quick turnarounds, and maintaining the highest standards at all times. This is your opportunity to deepen your technical skills, expand your knowledge, and take on new challenges in a demanding environment. You'll play a key role in European trade, helping to keep vital goods moving across the continent. Your diligence and commitment keep the vessel running smoothly, every voyage, no matter the conditions. As third engineer, you're not just maintaining systems, you're powering the journey, ensuring every crossing is a success. Picture your workplace, the sparkling Mediterranean Sea, where ancient history meets modern maritime innovation. Here you'll find yourself aboard a state-of-the-art RoRo vessel, surrounded by a dedicated international crew. RoRo ships efficiently move cars, trucks, and essential cargo between Europe's most important ports, Italy, Spain, France, and beyond, keeping the continent connected. Voyages are short, dynamic, and always close to land, offering ever-changing views of picturesque coastlines and bustling harbors. Operating under the Italian flag means upholding high standards, prioritizing safety, crew welfare, and a strong sense of maritime tradition. Enjoy modern onboard facilities, delicious Mediterranean cuisine, and frequent port calls that let you explore vibrant cultures and historic cities. The fast-paced schedule keeps your work engaging and varied, while the proximity to shore means you're never far from civilization or the comforts of home. Stay connected with family and friends thanks to modern technology, and experience the best of European life both on board and ashore. Be part of a vital logistics network, moving goods that keep Europe running, while building your maritime career in a region full of opportunity and beauty. Sail proudly under the Italian flag, surrounded by the breathtaking scenery of one of the world's most stunning maritime settings. Flexibility matters as much as pay. This role offers a competitive, tax-free salary under a flag of convenience arrangement. Choose rotation patterns that fit your lifestyle. Short or long, it's up to you. Plan your life, attend family events, and enjoy real downtime. You'll manage your own social security and insurance, giving you control over your finances. Many seafarers prefer this autonomy and the ability to invest as they wish. High pay, flexible contracts, and personal financial control. This is a modern approach. Build a secure future while enjoying the rewards of your expertise. Take charge of your career, on your terms. This isn't just a job, it's your next step in a rewarding maritime career. Join a professional international crew and grow your skills every day. Modern systems and fast-paced RoRo operations will keep you challenged and advancing. Promotion is encouraged. Move up to second or chief engineer with dedication. We invest in your growth and long-term success. Requirements: EU citizenship, valid engineering certificates, and experience on large vessels. If you're team-oriented and ready for a new challenge, apply now. Enjoy excellent pay, flexible terms, and the Mediterranean lifestyle close to home. Don't miss this chance. Your next adventure starts here.